Fáilte erieist gu speaking our language. I'm Rhoda MacDonald and I hope you enjoy learning Gaelic with our presenters Ian and Shonag. As before, you'll get plenty of opportunity to listen to Gaelic conversations and to practice in real situations. These cassettes are not dependent on written material and can be used on their own. If you would like written and visual material, however, do remember that videos and full-colour study packs based on the television series Speaking Our Language are also available. Good ma a hej leave.
Hallo, Cymar a Hashif, Ysmisha Ian.
Agus Ysmisha Shonag.
Fáilte go ernat a nuigiag. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of describing people. Curish a hai koloch. What is he like? Curish a ha e koloch. Curish a ha e koloch.
Curish a ha Ian Koloch. What is Ian like? Curish a ha Ian Koloch. Curish a ha Ian Koloch.
Curish a ha Ian Koloch. Hai mór agus rather.
Curish a ha koloch.
Hai mór agus rather. Curish a ha ama Koloch.
Hai art agus boioch.
Curish a hai Koloch.
Hai art agus boioch.
Curish a ha I koloch. What is she like? Curish a ha I koloch. Curish a ha I koloch.
Hai art agus boyach. She is tall and pretty. Hai art agus boyach. Hai art agus boyach.
Hai mór agus rather. He is big and stout. Hai mór agus rather. Hai mór agus rather. Sheaf nish. Adel shif jeshal. Your turn now. All set. Ask what he is like. Curish a ha e koloch. Curish a ha e koloch.
Ask what she is like. Curish a ha I Koloch. Curish a ha I Koloch.
Ask what Anna is like. Curish a ha Anna koloch. Curish a ha Anna koloch.
In the following scene, two women are discussing a man one of them has met.
Curish a hai Koloch. Hai cool agus ha falt gurich banir. Falt gurich ban. Ha falt gurich banir.
In this next scene, a policeman is questioning a witness.
Curish a hai koloch.
Hai big agus ha falt fatte roeg orre.
Falt fatte roeg.
Ha falt fatte roeg orre.
Hi, cool. He is slim. Hi, cool. Hi, cool.
Hi big. She is small. Hi big. Hi big.
To describe a man's hair, you say ha falt and the describing word ir. Ha falt ir. Ha falt gyrrid ban ir. He has short fair hair. Ha falt gyrrid ban ir. Ha falt gyrrid ban ir.
To describe a woman's hair, you say ha falt and the describing word orra. Ha falt orra. Ha falt fatta ruag orra. She has long red hair. Ha falt fatta ruag orra. Ha falt fatta ruag orra.
Say that he is slim. Hi cool. Hi cool.
Say that she is tall and pretty. Hai art agus boioch. Hai art agus boioch.
Say that he has short fair hair. Ha falt gyrrid ban ir. Ha falt gyrrid ban ir.
Say that she has long red hair. Ha falt fatta ruag orra. Ha falt fatta ruag orra.
To say what colour of eyes a man has, you say hasúlan and the describing word ecce. Hasúlan ecce. Hasúlan garam ecce. He has blue eyes. Hasúlan garam ecce. Hasúlan garam ecce.
To say what colour of eyes a woman has, you say hasúlan and the describing word echce. Hasúlan echce. Hasúlan down echce. She has brown eyes. Hasúlan down echce. Hasúlan down echce.
Corisha hai coloch. Ha falt du ir. Evel daun etje. Chanel. Ha wanje eke.
Corish a hai coloch. Hai boioch. Hasúlan goramechge. Evel falt down orra. Chanil. Ha falt ban orra.
Sheaf nish. A velshif jeshal.
Say that he has blue eyes. Hasúlan garam ecce. Hasúlan garam ecce.
Say that she has fair hair. Ha falt ban orra. Ha falt ban orra.
Say that she has brown eyes. Hasúlan down ecce. Hasúlan down ecce.
Say that he has big eyes. Hasúlan mór ecce. Hasúlan mór ecce.
To ask if a person knows a particular man, you say, a vilu ealdach ir. Do you know him? A vilu ealdach ir. A vilu ealdach ir.
And for a woman you say, a vilu eoloch orra. Do you know her? A vilu eoloch orra. A vilu eoloch orra.
Siawl anna. Cohasit. Y felw ylwch
Chanel, ach hae colloch fi Rod Stewart.
Ha, agus ha súlan gorometje.
Y fel eilach ora.
Co.
Siawl y sin. Ha falt dawn ora.
Oh, sin, una. Una nicht gegoin. Ha mi eilach ora.
Remember the more formal a vel shif eolach Do you know him? Or a vel shif eolach ora? Do you know her?